Hello everyone! This video is going to introduce you to adhesives. What comes to your mind when you think of adhesives? I think of glues like this. We all have used any of these glues to do some arts and crafts or to fix something, but have you ever wondered how things actually stick together? The answer is forces. To make this simpler, we will only talk about two kinds of forces, adhesion and cohesion. We can say that cohesive forces are present when something is able to stick to itself, just like water molecules stick together to form drops of water, and those drops can stick together to form bigger drops. Adhesion, on the other side, is the ability of one thing to stick to another different thing. This is what lets two different things stick together. For example, drops of water sticking to glass without any help. Let's see how these two forces are acting when we use glue to stick two things together. Here I have two little blocks of wood and some glue. When I put glue onto the yellow block like this, adhesive forces are acting in order to let the glue stick to the yellow block. That is why the glue doesn't fall off the block when I turn it upside down. At the same time, the cohesive forces on the glue are what is keeping the glue together in the same place. When I put both blue and yellow blocks together, the adhesive forces between the glue and each of the blocks are strong enough to stay stuck to the blocks. As you can see when I try to separate them. Now I'm going to let this dry so that the blocks are completely stuck together. This is going to take some time. The cohesive forces on the glue are strong enough so that if I grab only the blue block, the yellow block will stay together. And if I grab only the yellow block, the blue block will stay attached. Now we know at a very broad extent the chemistry that happens when we use any adhesive. It is important to say though that all of these adhesives are synthetic, which means that they are man-made. However, the inspiration to create these adhesives came from nature. Can you think of any natural adhesives? I think of the ocean. Adhesives on the water? What? Yes, we're talking about mussels. They stick to surfaces such as rocks and boats very strongly. The way mussels are able to do this is they squeeze a liquid protein from their mussel food. Then this liquid turns into a solid strand in seconds, and it's a sticky pad at the end that sticks to any surface like a rock or a boat. The sticky threads that mussels produce are known as Basal threads and are composed of different proteins. It turns out that one specific molecule, an amino acid, is responsible for the ability of mussels to stick. It's called OneDopa. This mussel adhesive is amazing because it's very strong, completely natural, and it works on wet surfaces. That is why scientists around the world are trying to recreate this mussel adhesive in chemistry laboratories. Let's take a look at Dr. Wilker's research at Purdue University. Here, they found a way to create a new adhesive using corn and mussels. But how? They combined the chemistry of mussel proteins with a bio-based polymer called polylactic acid, which comes from corn. This way, they were able to create an adhesive that can biodegrade, is non-toxic, works on wet surfaces, and is very strong. Now it's your turn to observe nature and find other natural adhesives. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about the amazing chemistry of adhesives. My name is Mara Alonso. I'm a chemical engineering major at Southwestern College, and thank you for watching.